Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT Plus gives you access to more powerful models like GPT 4.0 and GPT 5. This has faster responses and premium features like voice chats, image generations, file uploads, and advanced research tools. Whether you are just exploring content or just exploring AI's potential, this upgrade puts you in the fast lane. First of all, launch Open ChatGPT application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the homepage of ChatGPT, go to the top section and look for the Get Plus button and tap on it. This will now show you the ChatGPT Plus's features that comes with it. If you want to upgrade to Plus, then click on the Upgrade to Plus button at the bottom of the screen and then select your payment method or add a payment method if you haven't already, and confirm the plan and complete payment via your platform's native payments such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. And once processed, you'll have immediate access to Plus features like GPT-4 and beyond. And that's how you can easily upgrade to ChatGPT Plus in ChatGPT. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.